ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to VFG Movie Reviews with your host, Tim Williams. How's it going, guys? Welcome to VFG Movie Reviews, and this is What's in the Box?
What's in the box?
Yes, this box right here, as I hold in my hands, is from Shout Factory, and I've been waiting to get this for so long. And this is a key to a couple of different things that I've been wanting to do on this channel. And let's get right into this. And I am going to tell you, this is very much a... there's only like 3 things in this box, and it's very much way too big of a box for the 3 things that I got. But I like it because that means they protected. Got 1 box here. Got another box here. Alright, let's get into this box first. So many boxes. So here we go. We got a poster. Damn. It's cool. It's got the Shout Factory paper. We're going to get to that in a second. But this is slightly one of the more important things. Oh, yeah. I love it. The Fog Steelbook from Shout Factory. Yes, this was one of their collector boxes, and I got the poster also for it. That will find the wall at some point. Let's open this bad boy up. Damn. Oh, I'm going to have so much fun popping that. But, there it is, baby. Stevie Wayne from the Fog NECA figure. Exclusive. I love this oh so goddamn much because I needed a victim for my figure photography, and she's the first one. I have a Laurie Strode that I just haven't went and bought yet, but that's all her stuff right there. Man, I've been waiting to get this for so long. I should have got the $200 version, which came with a pin, some vinyl, and something else. But this was alright because I was literally dying to get this, and I'm excited. But God, man, it's so beautiful. Oh, shit. Sorry about that. But yeah, I'm excited. I hope you guys like this unboxing. There's a lot to... I didn't know they were boxing of everything, but that's cool because the last time I ordered something from Shout Factory, it did not come that well protected. So I dig this. I dig this. I hope you dug this unboxing and what's in the box.
What's in the box?
Please give us a like and a subscribe. I'd sure appreciate it. Thank you guys so very much, and I will see you in our next review or unboxing or anything else I do on this channel. Bye.